In today's video, we are going to install these cordless window blinds in this window, which is a 38-inch opening. On the box, we can see that that is a 38-inch window blind. These are called MainStays. They say cordless cellular shades. I bought these. I have two different sizes. Here's a smaller one. That is a 30-inch. I bought these at Walmart in March of 2025. The smaller window shade was $39.97 plus tax, and the larger 38-inch one was $47.97. So obviously the first thing you want to do is measure the opening of your window, and you can see here that is 38 inches. Just want to show you something quickly here before we actually get into the installation of these blinds. This is another room. I've already installed them, and as you can see, it's daylight, little overcast, but I just wanted to let you know they let a fair bit of light through. They're good for my purposes, but just want to illustrate that. There's no light on in this room. Once you open up the box, you will have the shade itself, plus your instructions for installation, and a very handy little piece of paper, that will show you how to position the shade within the window frame. You just cut these out and position them, which we will do next. You have your two brackets and the handle for the shade. Pulls it up and down. And our little bag of screws. These gray ones, we won't be using those. That would be for if you were mounting it, like say, over the drywall on the edge here. You would be putting those in and then screwing that in there. We're not going to be using that method. Once you cut out your little templates that show you where to mount the brackets, you will notice that it says here, right there, place against the corner of the window. We will do that. Then there's two little holes here. These are actually, you can see they're already punched out because I've already installed two sets of these blinds in another room in the house here. So let's position those, and we'll show you how to mark where you're going to put your screws for the brackets. Here I have taped my little template in place. We can see the arrow is right there, and this is the A side, which I've been using for the left-hand side. Also, depending on how much room you have within your windowsill, I have lots of room here, so I know the holes for the brackets are going to be there. If this was not as wide, I would have put this little piece of paper in right in that edge there. But then there's a little lip there, so now I know it'll sit nice and flat. So the way you will know which template goes on which side, here's the B one. We're gonna go over to the right side of this windowsill, and if I go to put that, the A would not line up here. That arrow would not end up in the corner. So that's how you know how to place it. Okay, so we've got kind of a crazy angle going on here. Here's the top of our windowsill, and our instructions tell us to drill two little holes here, and then we would put our screws in there. However, I have oddly enough misplaced my drill, so we're going to use this highly technical tool here, a little finishing nail. And what I did in the other windows, I just push that up. I'm going to place that in the, hopefully you can see that, that's that little hole there. Push that up there, and then the other one, and then I use an even more technical tool, a larger nail, and I'll push that up just to widen that out a bit. And as you probably clued in, I have this taped up into place, and if we remove it, we will see two little pilot holes there. And now I'll go get our brackets. So now I'm going to take my screwdriver. This is a Phillips head. It's got that kind of star shape on it. And our screw, which has a Phillips head on it as well. And I'm going to place this. And I'm just going to screw it in a little bit just to get the holes in place. And then we will install our bracket. Okay, so you want on our bracket this grooved part here facing away from the window, and that silver kind of piece of bent metal facing down. I'll do a shot after I install this just so you get an exact idea of how this is placed. Now I'll put my two screws in here. Here we have our two brackets in place. They should look like this. There's a little wiggle room too. If you go to put your blind in and it won't set in, which is what we're going to do next, you can move these around. You want to make sure that this part here is straight with the edge of your windowsill. So you can back off these screws a little bit, move them around if you run into that. So what we want to do now is install the blind into our two brackets, and I hope that this is going to come out, because it's kind of like what we want to do is take this edge on the front and snap it into that groove there, and then we're going to kind of roll it onto the bottom part here. And also, before I forget, your blind will have exterior facing marked on it. So we shall turn that side so that it is exterior facing, and then hopefully you're going to see what I'm doing here. Again, I'm taking the top part, clipping it into the groove right there. Going to push that in, and then that should kind of snap. Oops. As we kind of roll that into place. A little bit tricky. Make sure it's about kind of lined up there. And snap that down. Okay, so with that, I'll show you the bottom part here. So that's what I'm talking about there. You can see the bottom part of the blind snapped into our clip. Now we're going to install the operation handle on our blinds. So you want to find the middle of the blind. Though it's 38 inches, it's actually slightly less than that. So the opening is 38 inches and the blind itself is about 37.5. So half of that is going to be right around here. Mark that with my little nail. Keep my finger there. Then we take our handle. Here's our handle. This part is going to be facing forward. Kind of move the blind material up out of the way in the back. And this will snap into place like so. Don't damage your material for the blind. There we go. Like that. And there we go. So, hopefully that was helpful. Thanks for watching.